Today's Captain's Blog has been brought to you by Dave Archer. Thank you, sir. Hi there guys, welcome to today's Captain's Blog here at the Geek Group. It's 12:12 on Wednesday, March 8th, 2017, and we're having a bit of a day, having some fun. Well, that's safe. That's totally safe. What part of wait a minute before you do anything so I can get a camera on this?
He's just looking.
He's just looking. Okay. Yeah, I fear we use some shipping banding straps. Yeah, I'm fine with that. Alright.
Hold on, no, I know which one I want to grab. Ned. Okay, you go. Jess, come take my spot as well. As we know, usually when I step off with my shit.
Not that we've had any experience with that before. So we got a bit of wind. A little bit. It's kind of a fun day.
Fighting, just not even on the highway. I was fighting.
Yeah, I'm glad I told you to stay off the highway. Oh, who's this guy? What's this?
He looks like a dude who probably wants to use a hoist.
I don't know. He's gonna be pissed he notices the dams there. Alright. I'll sort him real quick. Hang on a second. You need the hoist?
Yeah, I'm gonna go on the hoist.
Alright, we'll get you on here in a second. Don't worry. So, Batman's got ratchet strap stuff. If you pull the van out and do the ratchet strap thing, I'll get him on the hoist. Alright. Alright. And Denichi sent me a present, which I've got. He sent me some of these.
He's been on the hoist before, so all you should have to do is just line him up.
Alright, I can do that. So we got some Rolock bristle discs. So these are exciting. That's my day. I'm gonna make him hang up the phone before he pulls in. I'll be back in a second. Alright, so we got a cool donation in. We got these. Now here's what we got. I'll take one over here so you can get a look at it. It's an LES 820i R classroom amplification system. So it's an amplifier, it goes out to a set of speakers, and on the back you can see we've got speaker power, DC power, or well, speaker outputs, DC power. We've got regular RCA inputs. This is just an EQ behind it. You can see if I can, yeah. See, it's just a EQ. And it's got a sensor input. So the sensor input feeds from one of these, which is an infrared receiver. And the IR picks up from a microphone that's a little clip-on handheld shitty microphone. It feeds over IR so that, and the reason to use IR is so you can have like one of these in every single classroom and you don't have to deal with channels and RF interference and all that. But we have a shit pot full of those. Give me some good ideas. I wanna hear your good idea. I think I might have to give some of these away to people. So I want to hear your really cool idea. What are you thinking? And we got some other stuff too, computers and fun. You're gonna like this. Check this out.
Oh, we had the California. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
How are those for the sexiest headphones ever?
Count.
There's 19 in this box.
There's your model number. Are those cool or what? Hipster headphones. Might have to give some of those away too. So there's going to be interesting things coming out for the viewers in the next few days. All right, I gotta help move stuff. We'll be back. Time is 15:12. Power just went out, and there's an interesting shot for you guys. The CCC, completely dark. I want to thank Mitch for getting me a flashlight for Christmas. Let's go walk the building. Master Control, completely dark. Looking down into the MDH. Hi kids. This is where the office staff. See, now you guys are striking for National Women's Day. They're striking. They're taking a day off work. I got my red shirt on, and I'd like to point out, for you that's easy. As a science guy, okay, as a professional geek, we don't wear red shirts. That's like the worst luck ever.
My name is
I didn't even know it was Red Day.
On Star Trek, all the guys who wear red shirts are the first to die. If you ever see an away team and there's a dude in a red shirt, they die. Yeah, so we don't wear red shirts. I'm guessing your 3D printing may be slowed down a little bit. Jerry? Moose? Everybody's on the phone.
I gotta.
You're taking off? Okay, you have fun. You are awesome. We will see you later. Thank you, love. You have fun. What you hunting?
Oh, not the right tool for the job. Don't have a ball.
Where are you at on your thing? Because you got a vehicle on the hoist.
Yeah, I've got, well, that's what I'm thinking. I can get it back to rolling with hand tools, so I'm like, well, I might as well keep. I have a ball joint I need to press in right now, and that's.
Well, for pressing it in, that doesn't use electricity. The big press. We got hydraulic press back there.
Okay.
So you're cool there, and that's all manual. And we're gonna.
On vehicle though, unless I take the lower one off.
Do you need to use like air tools to do this? Because we're gonna have enough air in the tank to get you through, as long as you conserve it.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I can get it to where we can.
Hang on a second. I got it. I only got so many hands. Go ahead.
Location?
MDH. Somebody was knocking. Who was knocking on the MDH door? Okay, well I opened it, nobody's there.
What?
I opened it, nobody's there. Yeah, that pole's still there. Huh?
Consumer says there's no ETA.
Of course there isn't.
There's so far up to 200,000 people.
Yeah, I'm not surprised at all. We've got this little generator that we were going to use for the locomotive thing. We can probably get that fired up and running too. So we got the 2 medium generators, that little one, and if shit goes really sideways, we'll fire up the big one. Because why not burn up 200 gallons of diesel today?
Yeah. So the lady I spoke to file the report for the power being out told me that on her way into work an hour ago, she saw a billboard that was on the ground.
Oh, cool.
And a semi that was upside down.
Oh, okay. All right, we've got, in total with the line and everything, 100 gallons of air in reserve right now, if you need to use an air tool. There's a hydraulic press back here. All right.
It's on vehicle. I'd rather not remove any more because I'm literally I'm pressing that thing about that far away, and I'll be able to just bolt everything I need to on and have it rolling.
All right, you can take all the time you want. At this point, your hoist time is free.
Should but that air, I should conserve that for the hoist, or is that all electric?
It's all electric.
Okay. So
The hoist is electric. We can get you down. It'll take some doing, but we'll get you down. Because the downside is the hoist runs on 240.
Right.
But my generators are all put out 240, so we're going to wire up an extension cord just enough to run the pump for a little bit. Because all we got to do is lift your vehicle up like 6 inches.
Yeah,
and then it's off the stops. Once it's off the stops, we'll get you on the ground, and that's easy.
Yep.
So once I've got, the guys are getting the generators going right now, because we got to get refrigerators and Wi-Fi back up. So
I'm not worried about. I think
as long as you're not in a hurry, you're cool.
Yeah, I think I can at least get it on the ground again with just a good sized clamp.
Oh, if you need clamps,
And
I got clamps. I got clamps to hell won't have clamps. I think we got, do we got a ball joint tool?
A ball joint tool? I have no clue.
Okay, hang on a minute.
there is a bearing press, but it's a through bearing.
All right, what do you need? Ball joint separator?
A ball joint press. So to press.
Captain
it
Batman,
down.
come in, Batman. I got clamps to hell won't have clamps.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Check out the back.
Generator, do you want me to grab it?
All right.
Try that again.
Turning on the generator, he probably can't hear you.
Let him rock. We don't need the big green generator on. We need the little generators on.
Yeah, he's doing one of the little ones.
All right, cool. Will that sort out what you need, sir?
Yeah.
Cool.
I think I'll be able
We
to.
are not powering the fridge.
I'll be able to get to a good spot. At least it's a good.
All right, because there's beefy clamps on the back.
Yep, I've got
Okay.
one of those that just quite.
You're running a line for knock now.
We're not powering the fridge?
We're running the cord to it now.
Yeah. We're gonna get it back on power to the fridge, right?
Yeah, they're running it right
All right, cool.
It's like, we'll have to get gas. Then I realized Jax is also dead.
Just head on Leonard.
Speedway up.
Yeah, just head on Leonard. Go west.
Go
You'll get
that
there.
way, not that way.
Okay, so the BP might have gas.
Yeah.
Okay. Just the motor. Okay. Yep, that's
Anybody else see the irony of that? The thing that creates electricity is electrical start?
It's got a battery on it.
Yeah. The question is the battery got life?
Doesn't matter. It's got a pull thing on it too.
Leave your mobile radio on. That's when I take off my
Hey, Squeak. You know where Kendall is? Okay, come here. I'm going to send you up to the store real quick. Time is... Oh, come on. There we go. 16:45. We're testing out emergency hoist power. All that, just for that.
Just for that.
Made it happen.
The hydraulics would have worked just fine, but you had to get it off the safety latch.
Yup. How much did it cost me at Kendall?
We'll talk about that when it's done rolling,
Okay.
because they were kind of muppets.
Oh, okay. All right, unplug that. He's good. Cool. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
The adventure continues. 1924 hours, and the power is back on,
You ready, Drew?
and I'm back at work.
Go ahead.
So so I'm gonna grab a couple.
220 coming on. Circuit 1, 120. Circuit 2, 120.
So we're bringing the building back online.
So far, everything looks good. Coming up.
Where are you at?
AV.
Ah, okay, cool. Did anybody think to shut the generator down yet?
Generator has just been shut down.
All right, let's move the freezers.
Refrigerators have been restored. The ice cream freezer needs to be put back in the office.
Yeah, I saw it in the thing. What?
Usually we don't get, oh, I know why it's doing that. Never mind.
Usually we don't get what?
Just the feedback.
Radio noise through the board?
Yeah.
It's because you're holding a RF transmitter.
Well,
It's a radio.
It's because we had radios going through the monitor speakers.
Okay.
anyways.
Are we getting the live stream back up? I see everything's got Windows screens everywhere.
I do not know how to do that from the power.
All right, move the ice cream freezer to the office first before we lose anything.
Yep.
Then we'll work on getting the live stream back up.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to put my laptop away.
Okay.
I'll be back. Today's Captain's Blog has been brought to you by Dave Archer. Thank you, sir.